Afternoon Dafties, so we're back with a new video, a live cop again, week 3 Supreme season spring summer 2020. We're like there's 17 minutes before the drop, so I'm just going to fill you guys in what we're going for. We're going to go for the black turtleneck in the medium, and we'll cut to that in a second. But if you guys want to like and subscribe, that would generally be appreciated. The last video got me like 8 subs, which is insane. If you've not seen my last live cop, I'll link it in the description below. And if you guys want to follow my Instagrams at Jack_Nisbet and Diabetus_shoes. And well, I'll see you when there's like a minute to go and we're about to cop some Supreme. So yeah, see you soon. Right, so we're back. So there's like 20 seconds before the drop, as you'll see on the screen now. I'm pretty sure it'll drop on the tops and sweaters, but maybe not, so I need to double check that. But as I said, we're going for the black, medium, turtleneck, because I think it looks sick. And I mean, there's nothing, it just looks cool, so it's fine. Yeah, there we go. So medium, add to basket, check it now. Brilliant, it's not working. Come on Supreme, be nice. Oh, it's cheaper retail than expected, that's always a good thing. And it's sold out, oh my god, okay. Right. Fun. What is going on? Okay. Fuel. Mad, okay, right. Guess I'm gonna have to go for a restock on this as well. Yeah, I want one, so I'm gonna have to go for a restock. And hopefully I can get one. That was a mad sellout. That was literally like 4 seconds or something. That's. No, I didn't think these would go first. I thought these would, the fleeces and the jackets and that would go first, but I think this is one of the first items to have gone. Guessing because the retail's a wee bit cheaper. So the white, I think all the colours are going now. I'm just going to try and get a restock of one of these colours. I'll take either. There you go, I've got white. No, I'm not. Fuck's sake. Uh-oh. Yeah, they're apparently showing us sold out. That's mad. Okay. So it looks like everything's sold out, especially, well, the turtlenecks sold out within like the first 4 seconds, and I can't get a restock on them because they are actually sold out. Like that's them done. Oh my god, okay, that was mad. Unlucky I didn't cop, but it was a good week. I think we had the fleeces that were really nice, and we had the jackets as well. So the jackets were nice. They had obviously the tactical feel about them. They had the bag on the back as well, and then it could detach from it. Nice colours. We had the red, the green, the black, the yellow. That was the colour scheme this season. And then if we go to the fleeces, same again. Just a polar fleece, a nylon fleece with the green, the yellow, the red, the black. Still a really nice fleece. I still prefer 2 seasons ago. Yeah, I think it was 2 seasons ago. Okay, so I was hoping to cop again this week, but I didn't. But if you guys want to subscribe anyway, that would be I'd appreciate it so much. There is a lot more to come, and if you guys haven't checked out my previous videos, there's some bangers. We reviewed the Supreme Air Force Ones that I copped on week 2. If you guys want to watch any of the videos, so if you guys want to leave a like and subscribe, it would genuinely be appreciated, and I'll see you in the next video. Quite annoyed I didn't cop, but see you. Peace.